So I was trying to mock those slow-mo beauty guru intros, but then I realized that they usually do them after the look is complete, and now I look like an idiot. Ni hao guys, so today I'm doing a fall/homecoming makeup look. This was requested by someone on my Instagram, so hopefully it'll be up by the time your homecoming is happening and you'll be able to use it. As you can tell, my voice is a little bit off because I'm sick right now. There's like a plague going around at my school. So I have like a cough, sore throat, stuffy nose, all that jazz. And so I'm gonna bring the inhaler back. She's back, better than ever. And I'm just gonna use her once. So this is gonna be a voiceover, so it can just be like quick and more informative. I should be doing college stuff right now, but I'm filming a tutorial for you guys, so appreciate it. So first I filled in my brows and I did that off camera, and I was going to do that beauty guru thing, but I totally forgot, so now it's just dumb. And then I put an orangey color into my crease using a big fluffy brush and just blended that out. And then using the ABH Norvina palette, I took the like brownie orange colors in that palette and used a smaller brush and packed that into the crease and then just blended it into the first color that we put in. I took the burgundy shade in the palette and put that on the outer corners, and then I kind of wanted to make it like a smoky liner type thing, so I used, actually, fun fact, this is my homecoming ticket from freshman year, and I just cut it, and so then I used that to like make a straight line, and then I cut my crease using concealer, so I just went a little bit above my natural crease and just applied the concealer. And then directly where I put that concealer, I applied some golden bronzy shimmery shade and then just went back in with that burgundy to blend it together. And then I went in with a different burgundy to just kind of define the outer corner a little bit more. And then I used a Q-tip and just wiped away the fallout and made the line a little bit more sharp. Then I used a pore filling primer in my T-zone to smooth out my skin, and I applied a really light coverage foundation. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Cushion, and I just put that all over my face. And I didn't do too much, just like a thin layer, because I was going to go in with a powder foundation afterwards. This tutorial is kind of all over the place, but then I went in and put on some false lashes. These are from Ardell. They're really cheap, and I successfully put them on, which is surprising. And then afterwards I put on some concealer, and I just put it under my eyes, in my T-zone, and then on my chin. And then using an e.l.f. concealer brush, I just blended that all out. And then I went over the under eye part with a damp beauty sponge just to make it more seamless. And then I put on some Maybelline Fit Me powder to kind of set the foundation and add a little bit more coverage. And then I set my under eyes using the Laura Mercier powder. And then I contoured using this contour kit that I got from TJ Maxx, actually. So my phone ran out of storage, and I didn't realize it until I had basically finished everything. But the only things that I didn't get to film was this blush. I applied blush on my cheeks liberally from Anastasia. These two like orangey, peachy colors. And then Hustler Baby using a fan brush on my cheeks, cupid's bow, and nose. And then I applied this liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Dazed, and it's kind of like a cranberry color. So that's it. I hope this helped you. I hope that this inspires you for fall or homecoming makeup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want, and like this video if you enjoyed. 再见。